Hi there. I received some questions regarding the spatial data that I can use to create embeddings in my AI vector search with the Retrieval Augmented Generation application, demo application. And if we have to basically create from scratch all the GeoJSON documents that we need to use for our vector search. Well, the answer is no. You don't have to create from scratch the objects you need to vectorize in spatial format using the GeoJSON format document type. You can join collaborative projects like OpenStreetMaps, and you can participate in these projects and collaborate in order to create content, update content, and get content to your AI application. So let me show you an example. I have here OpenStreetMaps in my browser open, and for example, this is the Cadiz Island. It's a city, but also an island in Spain. I'm going to give it as an example. Let me show you how to start from scratch. So, for example, you can see the map here. You can choose any region you want from your location. And if you go here, for example, on the map, you right-click and you say Query Features. The features in OpenStreetMap collaborative project are stored as XML documents. So they use the XML format. GeoJSON, of course, uses the JSON document format. But Oracle database can convert from XML to JSON and back to XML because it is a converged database and we support both XML and JSON document formats. So I'm going to choose this enclosing feature here, Cadiz, because I want to show you how it works. So this is the entire city of Cadiz. And you can see here, I have all the details about the feature. It is a relation. So if you check on OpenStreetMap, you'll see that features are in three main categories: relations, ways, and nodes. And relations are made of ways of nodes, and ways are made of nodes. So you can check the members here. It has 13 members. This relation, and Cadiz, the one you can see here selected on the map. And it has 12 ways and one node. And you can download the XML. Well, you don't need to download the XML on your laptop because Oracle database can read XML directly from the web, and OpenStreetMap collaborative projects are providing an API easy to use to read XML documents from the web. So the only thing you need the ID of the feature in OpenStreetMap, and you can go here to the maps part of the application, demo application, OSM or OpenStreetMap, and here you can say get element. And this is a relation. I'm going to choose relation. I'm going to paste the OSM ID, and I'm going to say get element. I already have some elements in my database before that I used to make some tests. So I have an interactive report in Application Express. I can choose the elements, and I'm going to select by just the relation elements. And you can see here I have Marbella and Cadiz. And Cadiz has 13 members. They are called nodes here, but they are actually members. You can see it also here in the metadata of the element I extracted. I took from the OpenStreetMap. And you can, if you click on this link, it will take you to the URL on OpenStreetMap, but you click on edit here, and you have all the information that have been received in REST API request by Oracle database using the Apex interface. So I'm going to get all the 13 members on my in my database, just to show you how easy it is to add spatial data to your Oracle Converge database 23AI to be able to create embeddings, vectorize the information, and use it in AI tasks. And I have one node and 12 ways. So this is the relation. And let's go to the node here. I'm going to click on the element ID. And I have the information about the node. The node is actually the center of the city. And I'm going to say add point. And I'm going to select first map as the map I'm using in my demo application where I want to add this point. I say add point. The name of the point is Cadiz. And now I have it on first map. So if I click the first map here, it takes me to the maps again. And it shows me all the elements, all the objects I have on this map. If you remember, I have this drawing here. I did it myself from scratch. And I have here, this is Marbella, and this is Cadiz, the object that has been created as a point on the map for the city center of Cadiz. I can go back to my OSM objects again, elements again. And again, I have to filter here by relation. And I can go to Cadiz again, or I can remove the filter by relation. I'm going to say element is way. And way that is not on any map. So I'm going to sort it by descending order on maps, because there is on none of the maps. So you can see here the first ways I see the 12 first rows are from the Cadiz relation, which is the parent. Or I can filter by parent, and I can select here Cadiz outer. This is the outer region of the Cadiz relation I took from OpenStreetMaps. If you go on OpenStreetMaps and if you test what I'm saying here, you'll see that how it works, and you will understand it maybe better than I can explain it. So now I have to go to each one of the ways here and get the nodes of the ways. And then I have to add a line which is formed by those nodes on the map. So I'm going to select again the first map. And I have to go back to elements. This one, get nodes. Add line. And it is converted to JSON from XML because it is received as XML, and then the GeoJSON is added to the first map. I'm going to pause here the recording, and so in 5 minutes I have basically all the elements from the Cadiz relation on my first map, and you can see here they have been all added to the map. And I go to maps. It's already the first map selected, and you can see here I have all these features and ways added to the map. And you can see here this is the way the map has been created. And I will stop the recording here. Please go ahead and test it and see how it works. And send me your feedback in your comments and on the Oracle LiveLabs where you can test this workshop by yourself. Thank you very much.